GT1000 condenser tube cleaner installation video. Step 1. Connect the foot pedal to the pneumatic port on the main unit. Unscrew the pneumatic connector, thread the pedal cable through, and reattach to the main unit. Step 2. Connect the power cord, plug it into the power port on the main unit. Step 3. Install the flexible shaft. Connect the drive end of the flexible shaft to the drive unit on the machine. Step 4. Connect the water hose from the source to the flexible shaft inlet. Step 5. Install a cleaning brush that matches the tube size. Step 6. Plug in and turn on the leakage switch red light on. Step 7. Press the foot pedal to start the brush green light on. Press the pedal again to stop the brush green light off.